turns.
Yeah. It's
Wear out the signal lights.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Looks, I think.
Oh yeah, maybe. It's a ways up. Oh yeah, I see balloons up there. So yeah, I think you did.
Did I leave enough room for people to get by me?
Oh, and is this one as well?
Yeah, there might be a couple here.
Okay, great. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Okay. Can I go or?
Yeah, you go. I'll meet you out there.
Okay.
Yeah, I emptied it. It says gallon.
Freaked me out.
Who, me?
Yeah. I don't know who's standing so close to me. Yeah. Nice curtain rods.
Yeah. Wooden.
Yeah, with the things with the
wooden
clips.
rings, yeah.
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 Isn't that cute? Is it tin?
Amanda would want that, yeah.
I don't know.
It's not old, it's scratched up pretty bad.
No, it's not. That.
Yeah, well, that's what I said, it's not old.
It's not even a paper one. It's like printed right on it. Get you one of them coats to wear for...
On the way to work?
Yeah.
I'll be the envy of all my workmates.
Village people.
Is it still sealed? Oh, no, it's not. Might as well wander over to the other one.
Yep.
Oh, look at this thing. Kind of like that.
What?
A cage.
Oh.
What the hell would we use that for?
Nothing. Oh. Yeah.
I don't know why I like it. I just like it. It's neat. I'll get it for $5. Sure.
What?
It's even cool in the house.
No, it's not.
Thanks. Thanks. That's so industrial looking. That's gonna look good in my man cave with something inside of it.
Oh.
Some cameras or
okay.
something like that, eh?
Sure.
Don't you think?
Yeah. I just didn't see your vision.
Oh.
That's all.
It's just industrial looking. I just like it. Not good? It's, yeah.
Somebody wears Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
That's quite sweet. It's nice though. I can see why somebody would like. Did you smell it? Or not really? Do you want me to spray some on me?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see if that smells any good.
So it's got the perfume and body mist.
Yeah.
So.
Having troubles there?
Yeah. No, I don't think so.
Oh, no. A little too musky.
Yeah. Looked promising though. Somebody will, just for, on me it doesn't smell, that doesn't smell good.
Well, I'm just not a fan of the musk.
Nope.
Coconut?
Nope. Oh, and here's more coconut.
Not a fan, eh?
No. I just don't like it.
Feel pillow socks.
Oh. Well, they're not very pillowy.
Oh, it says pillow paws though. Maybe it's just super soft, the fabric. Feels pretty regular to
I
me.
know,
Nothing
and
special about
thin.
them. Yeah.
Like, no. If you didn't have the socks we already have.
Yeah.
Aw, look how cute those are.
Tiny little runners. Hey, look at that. More of your kitty shoes.
But they're size 10.
Oh, too big for you?
Yeah. That's...
Put them up to your foot. Just... Oh. Yeah, a tad too long, eh? On the toe there.
Yeah. I wish I knew somebody that wore that big of a shoe because they're mint. Like, they're hardly worn.
Yeah.
I wonder if I could resell them.
You might be able to resell them
Yeah.
for like $20.
Yeah. I guess it depends how much they... Is there a price on the box or anything?
I'm guessing they're going to be $1 or $2 each.
You think so?
Yeah, I think it's worth a gamble.
Like, they're totally clean inside and everything. Oh.
What is that, eh? That's pretty neat, isn't it? She was grabbing onto it.
Oh, looking.
Yeah.
She's interested.
Yeah. Wow.
I know.
Look at that shirt.
It caught my eye. It's a jacket. Caught my eye too.
How could it not?
I know, it's so sparkly. Oh, look at these. Right? Oh, there's a pink one.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. And we're gonna have to get this too.
Oh boy, $3.
I remember I sold one like this already with the
Yeah, I totally remember that.
thing that pops out and
Yep. Okay.
oh, and there's no machine.
No machine in it, so it's
that's
not
good.
£1 million.
Right.
Done.
Yeah. How much are your shoes?
You know what, these are $5. These are so unique.
Yeah, they're quite new.
Yeah, because
Okay.
they're hardly worn.
They are hardly worn. Okay, I'll take those, and I'm gonna take your
that one is-
sewing machine stand. Okay,
Just pay me for this one.
and paid. Okay, that sounds good.
These are so cool.
They are cool. Thank you. Do you, oh, can you just hold
You
those
can
for
throw
a
those
sec?
in my box if you want.
Well, they won't. How?
I guess I gotta open it.
You want to buy that sewing machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's $3.
There you go. Thank you.
Do you want to carry this?
Sure. Whatever. Oh my God, it is heavy.
Okay. Oh, now the tire.
I always get the heavy things.
Yeah, that's right. That's how it always works.
It's true.
Okay. Oh, this actually isn't that bad.
No, it's not. It's in really nice condition. Somebody will want it. I think we'll put it in the back seat.
Oh, really?
Upside down, yeah.
Okay.
Lid on the seat.
Okay. Oh, I gotta go around the other way. The mirror, I can't get around the mirror. Okay.
guys, thanks for coming again with us on yet another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You know, it really helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. And it's a great way to support our channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, get down there, click on that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, and we need your help to do it. So again, if you like this video, tell people about it. Share us on Instagram, share us on Facebook, share us with all your friends. Tell them who your favorite YouTube pickers are. And we'll catch you next time. On to the next.